The sun, moon, earth, and us. The sun reversed equals in us. Plants and humans take in energy and information from the sun. We turn that energy and information into emotions. It makes our chakras turn. An aura emits from our pores, pushed by our heartbeat. Our aura goes into the moon. Moon reversed equals in Om. The earth equals heart. Letter H equals balance. Earth or the heart equals an emotional place. The moon fills up, it empties. It fills up and it empties. In Om. Why is our energy going into the moon? The moon controls all liquid on the planet, including us. Its original name was called Sin, or Shin in Hebrew, meaning to eat or consume. Is that a benevolent entity on the other side of that gas pump? Earth reversed equals balance. 3. The sun, moon, earth, plus us equals the fourth dimension. Join me on March 24th when we get and give more information on the only question in history. What the info is going on?